see what happened now? Right? Put the amount. The amount is what? 2,100, right? 2,100. Now use our rate now. Our rate is what? 146, 149, 1469, 1469. Okay, save. Okay, first. Okay, right? What did they say? Any date.
Balance.
What is it? We say it's first of what? January, right? First of January, right? Okay, say okay. Okay. Say right? Now there's something I want to show you here now. Do you see here that it carries the what? The dollar amount, right? Yeah. Understand this? At this point now, it carries what? The dollar amount. But on your reporting, it's going to convert it to what? Naira. Because you can't have dollar separate and naira separate. So just go to the report balance sheet. Just go to the balance sheet. Have you seen this? What? First back at it?
It's 3 million.
So somebody should do this time. Let's see what they correspond. The rate and the opening balance. Let's see where it corresponds.
469
times. It's correct, right? Do you understand? It's correct. So in your reporting thing, if you convert it to what? Naira equivalent, right? If you convert it to Naira equivalent. Do you understand? Hello? Do you understand?
Yes.
That it convert it. But go to chart of account. Under the chart of account, which is the bank statement, if you still remember what? Dollar value. If you still remember what? Dollar value. Right? Good. So now, let's play this first. Right? Let's do on this first. Okay, we'll do it on them accordingly. Okay, number one now. Listen very careful. Because all these transactions have been what? Done. Before you are what? Arrival. Do you understand? All these transactions have been what? Done before you are what? Arrival. So what you simply mean is that you are working on what? Past information. Right?
Yes, sir.
You are working on past information. For instance now, we consider that this is what? Sales. Normal thing you're supposed to do with sales is to do what? Create an invoice. Right? But in this case now, you don't need to create the invoice. Hey. I mean, as strong like an iron. There are some people in this place that will live long. Right?
Yes.
So let's go ahead. Right? So now, what you simply do is this. Go back, close on here, go to the home. Right? Now go to journal entry. We have to trade the first one, which is sales. Right? Now on this part now, this is as at when? 5th, so you change your date to what? 5th of January. Right? Yeah. Now remember very well that after you have done, change the date to 5th of January. 5th of January. Now, this now, we say every transaction affect two accounts, right? So now, sales of 3 million will affect which account and which account? This is what we are going to debit. Remember this formula. DAECIL. So we do what here? We do what here? This is done. And do what? Yeah, so what do we do now? On this now to bring this into the record. We debit what? We debit? Fine, we debit, which is asset, right? And then we credit what? Sales, which is what? Income of how much? 3 million. Do that, let's do that. Do you understand? We debit the assets, which is our what? UPA account, right? And then credit the sales, right? Says, I mean? Says. It says that here. Good. Says. Good. Let's do continue. Right? The other one is what? On the 7th. On the 7th of February. It's 5 million. 5 million on the 7th of February. Date is always very what? Important when you are doing this, right? Not when you are in accounting as a whole. Date is always what? Very important. Yeah, 7 million.
5 million.
5 million. UBA. Okay. That is says, right? Says. Okay. Save. Okay. The next is what? Inflow from where? Outflow, I mean? Outflow to what? FCMB. Now, close from here. When it comes to the outflow, though you can use there and treat it, but go from there. Right check. Then now is what? UBA, yes. Debit the UBA account. Go on the UBA account there. Put on UBA. Then credit to the what? FCMB account on this account here. That's that. FCMB, right? Have it? Yeah. FCMB, that's operation account. Is how much? 5 million. 5 million, I mean? 6 million. And when you are doing this, take note. When you are doing this, ensure that you always put your note here. Paying internal transfer from where? UBRD to where? FCMB. That's the narration, right? Say this, sir. The date, is it correct? Okay, sir. So the next one is what? The next one. The next one cannot occur if all this one have not occurred. Right? So now go back to what? Journal entry. Go back to journal entry. Let's see something. Alright. Now put that account now on this thing. Put it on the bank. We are debiting, the sales is what? $20, have you? Put it on the first bank. Right? Yeah. How much? $20, right? Then you debit equity. You credit equity. I hope you follow. Because every day you did you then come back here and come back to credit item.
Hope you follow.
Yeah. Do equity. Opening equity. Then the exchange rate, right? Anything you are doing with dollars have to do with what? The exchange rate, which is what? 1469, right? Okay, then say it. Put the 1469. Anything you are doing with dollars, right? Have to do with what? Exchange rate. So say the same and new. So we still have another one for you. Okay. So the other one is what? 30 what? Okay. $30, right? So the same process. And this one is on the what? It's on the 12th, I think?
No, 1st of February.
7th of February. 7th.
Which date?
7, yeah.
7th.
The same process. I hope everyone understands what is happening. Yeah, sure. I agree with that sure very well. Sure. So put that on the first bank, right? First bank. Then this other one on the opening equity. Opening equity. Opening equity, right? Which is this. Okay, say. Wait, the rate, okay, your rate. Good. 1469. 1469. Right. So say. in QuickBooks. The first one is what? Right check, Abi? Right check. The check is in that of what? American, right? Not British. Then the second one is what? Pay bill, right? And then the other one, make what? Journal entry, right? These are the three steps you use in doing this. Now, you use this one to do general what? Transaction, just like what we are doing now. Then you use this pay bill to pay what? Outstanding what? Bills, right? I will later discuss more about this. Then you use this one, opening stock, correction of error, and all the rest, which is generally good, right? So use right check now, you are on it. Look at the board, a bit. So we say the money we transfer is this amount. 6. Change it now to First Bank. First Bank, right? Okay. First Bank. Are you on First Bank? Okay, it's on First Bank. Okay, yeah. So the amount is what? We transfer it to where? UBA. So put UBA there. We transfer it to UBA account. UBA, right? UBA. How much? 6807.35, right? Okay. 6807.35. Now our exchange rate is what? Here. One what? 1469. Right? 1469. 1469. Let's take it. Okay, now go to your chart of account. Now click on UBA. Click on UBA. Do you understand? Do you understand? Our rates have already done what? Have affected us here. Right? Who give us that calculation that time? Go back. This divided by 10 million is what, sir? Give us the accurate figure. Let's see. Double click on this. Double click here. 6807. For what?
3519.
35 what?
19.
3519. Please, can you put the 3519 here? 3519 here. Okay, sorry. You do not accept. You don't accept anymore. Right? So now, in order to get that, make this 6. Let's see. Make this 6. I think there's somewhere you're supposed to tell us the equivalent. Okay, yeah, here. So make it 6. Let's see. 6, right? Then 6. It does not have it. Then make it 7. Make the 7. You're supposed to have the naira value equivalent here. Right? Make it 7. Let's see. It does not. Make it 8. Let's see. 8. Right? It does not have it. Remove your constant sign and let's see. What happened? It does not. Remove your constant sign now.
Click somewhere else.
Fix it somewhere now.
Click on somewhere.
Click on somewhere now. Does it? It does not.
Sir,
Huh?
I think I'm seeing a mistake here.
Okay, what is the mistake?
Should be 680.0.7.
68.
Like the point is not between the 7 and 5. Okay, it's between the 0 and 7.
680 what?
Point.
No, man.
No.
It can't be.
6807.35.
Yeah, this is the correct thing. Right. Okay, now, change this now to 40. Let's see. We are trying to see how the equivalent distance can be what? 10 million. Right? That fraction is what is costing.
So let's do it this way. 352.
Huh? 352 cannot go.
0.352.
You cannot go now. 0.352. No, this contains 2 decimal places. Correct or not?
Or should we increase the value of the dollar?
No.
Okay, 0.50.
Is it rich? Is it complete? It's not changing.
Nothing is changing.
Something is wrong.